Hey, welcome back. This is not one of my normal videos. This is more of a cry for help. I know it's really bad lighting in here, but I just want to get this knocked out real quick. I'm not even going to put the intro and the outro and all that stuff on it. This is just a short SOS. As most of you know, I've got a 72 Ironhead that I'm rebuilding. Trying to rebuild, but I'm running into problems. I cannot, for the life of me, get this stupid neck out. Here's my frame. I can't get the triple tree completely off. There was a set screw back here in the back. That's all covered with WD-40. Set screw back here in the back. We've loosened that up. We've tried hammering here to push it out that way. We've tried hammering here to pull it off of that shaft. It just won't come off. We've poured a bunch of WD-40 into it. My son came over, and I know a bunch of you are going to cringe, but we actually put the wrench on here, and we could turn this just a little bit, so there is play, but it seems to be connected. So I don't know how to get the stupid thing off, and the manual doesn't seem to be much help. A little C4 packed down right here. So I want to get the thing going. I've really been dragging my feet, but quite honestly, I'm a little bit discouraged with this one stupid piece. I can't get it off. And I thought about taking it down to one of the local shops, but you know, if I have somebody else do it, that means I'm not doing it myself. But I'm just stumped. So if any of you have any suggestions, I'm more than happy to hear them. I want to get that pulled out of there so I can get it down and get it blasted and painted or powder coated or whatever I'm going to do with it, but I'm not getting anywhere. So if you've got any ideas, leave them in the comments below. I'd appreciate them. See if we can't get this thing going. At this point, I'll try anything short of C4 because, you know, I don't have any and that seems kind of important. I just don't know what else to do with it. There's always that one little piece, you know? So let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you've got any suggestions, I just don't know what else to do with it. It should be coming out from everything I've seen, unless I just need to hammer more, which, you know, I'm a little hesitant to do because we've nailed it pretty good. Because I don't have any other instructions, we're just kind of flailing at this, and I've actually tried to pull any of this out, and we bent the bearings all up, but I figured I had to replace those anyways. So, yeah, I just don't know. Just don't know. Like I said, there was a set screw down here that we pulled out. These are all out, but that's more for the forks. I don't know. Got a little bit of a gap in here, but you know, I don't want to bend the whole frame all up. I just don't know where it comes apart, or if it comes apart. So that's the current dilemma. So if you've got any suggestions or got any ideas on how to pull that thing apart, I would appreciate it. Leave a comment down below in the comments. Maybe I can get this thing moving again. Other than that, it's ready to get stripped and repainted. So just got to get that piece out. Let me know. Thanks.